Thank you.
Of course, I praise and thank the Lord na binigay niya sa akin si Mami ng 83 years. And I have more birthdays to celebrate with your loved ones. Talagang pasalamat namin kay Lord, si Mami healthy, tayo pa kami. Yung dinala namin siya sa doktor, sabi, you are perfectly alright. You are in good shape. Like na lang yung pala.
Okay na kami, may pera sa sakay ko pa, kaya
You are in sa amin pa. Long life, oh my God.
hindi picture.
Ay, pamangkin ha?
I wish for my great mother is all God's blessings on the days of her life. Peace and joy. At saka, and also I wish na lahat tayo maging katulad ni Mother dear.
Sorry.
Diba? Sana we will all be like her. Now we will follow her example. And I pray that she will have long life and good health.
Okay. Ayun si Doc, bumati si Doc.
Okay? Happy birthday. Auntie,
Iyan
picture.
naman.
1, 2, 3.
You're on camera. Okay, Doc.
Happy birthday, ha?
Wish mo, Doc. Wish.
I'm very honored to be part of the family and very privileged. And alam mo, na-notice ko kay Mami yung kanyang cleanliness.
Yan.
Yun, no, cleanliness.
Nakakalimutan yung sabihin nyo, si Doc lang nakakita. Yan.
Well, sana wag na kayong mabalian
T-shirt na pala
ulit.
tayong lahat.
Healthy naman siya except for her eyes. Kaya kailangan ito, yung magaling na alalay. Kasi alam mo ito, pag naglalakad siya, hindi alam
Kaya
niya.
nakakalakad ng mabilag, nakakarating sa bahay ng walang
She will live for another 20 years.
Subukin niya sa bahay.
God bless you.
Nasa Guinness ka na yan, ma'am. Guinness na. Thank you, Doc.